Imagine having a smartphone that not only feels luxury in your hands, but also pushes the boundaries of mobile photography and performance. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Vivo X80, a gadget that boasts flagship level performance, gorgeous design, and Zeiss powered photography. Now let's get to the highlight the cameras. The Vivo X80's 50MP primary sensor, paired with Zeiss optics, produces images that are crisp, brilliant, and full of life. Night photography is where it really shines. Lens flare is decreased thanks to the Zeiss T coating, and low light images are extremely clean. With the 12MP portrait lens and ultra wide camera, you'll have a versatile setup for capturing every moment like a professional photographer. The Vivo X80 features a 6.78-inch FHD AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This means buttery smooth scrolling and amazing images, whether you're binge watching Netflix or playing video games. Colors are brilliant, blacks are deep, and how about the experience? Completely immersive. The Vivo X80 is a visual treat with its sleek, elegant design. It features a glass back and aluminum frame that screams premium quality. The phone feels sturdy yet light, perfect for users who want a phone that stands out in the crowd. The curved display adds a sophisticated edge, ensuring it looks as premium as it feels. The Vivo X80 is powered by a 4500 mAh battery and supports 80W flash charge. You can charge from 0 to 100% in 35 minutes. Long day, not an issue. This phone keeps up with you while you're gaming, streaming, or working. Under the hood, the Vivo X80 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 chipset, making it a powerhouse for multitasking and gaming. Whether you're editing videos, running heavy apps, or playing Genshin Impact on max settings, this phone does not stutter. It's fast, responsive, and designed for the future. So what do you think? Is the Vivo X80 your next phone? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this review helpful, please like it and subscribe for more. Continue to capture the magic of life until next time.